Hey, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. We are having a beautiful snowy day. Ruby's way excited. I'm going to go get the newspaper. Wow, can you hear this sound? As I'm stepping down. Hi, Coco. Oh, it's so pretty today. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Hi, Coco. Here comes Ruby. Oh, Ruby likes the snow. What's going on, Ruby? What's going on? Go get her, Coco. Aren't they hilarious? I don't know, we might have, I'm not sure how much we have. I'm trying to find the dogs. They're so crazy. So, anyhow, it's just beautiful. I'm going to go check the mail. It is so pretty. Ruby again. She's all excited. She likes this snow. So do I. It's gorgeous. The horses in the snow. So, let's see if you can see my hand. So from my fingertip to where my fingers begin. Got the newspaper. Hi, pretty horses. And it's pretty. It's on top of my mailbox. I don't know if any of you saw this mailbox. I thought these were so pretty. I don't know why this is zoomed in so tight. These boxes just tend to be so plain. So I found this that was from a wine cooler or wine rack, and Jason painted it for me, cut it apart, and posted it on my mailbox. I love it. Anyhow, so it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I hope you're having a warm and cuddly day. If you're in the areas where there's bad weather, and it's at all possible, stay home. That's what I'm going to do, and enjoy the warm fire. All right. I want to pray blessings on you and yours. And whatever you do, keep dreaming.